Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to this video and welcome back again to Max TV. In this video, I'm going to show you the seven platforms that you can use to make money online. So I'm going to show you the seven money making platforms that can help you to earn the passive income today by using your mobile phone, by using your free time, by using also your free space. You have to be making money online. Either moving on car, either you are going to at work, either you are living, you are going home from work, either you have the time to relax, you can be able to earn some money by using these different platforms. So remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel TV, turn notification button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. The first platform that you can use as we prepared for you today is called Swagbucks. If you search Swagbucks, also this is a platform that can help you to earn money by performing different tasks. You can see if you open the platform, that is where you see the amount of money that people have already withdrawn or have cashed out, which means you can be able to join this platform and get paid to answer the surveys anytime, anywhere. You can also be able to share your opinions. You can be able to download mobile apps. You can be able to respond to the questionnaires and also be able to make money. There are different opportunities. There are different tasks that you can perform and be able to earn money on this platform. What you need to do, you need to sign up today and also be able to make money by also doing different tasks on this platform. You can be able to earn passive income. You can be able to earn money like playing games. You can be able to earn money by downloading mobile applications. You can be able to earn certain of money depending on the activities or the tasks that you have performed. The second one is also a freelancer platform, which is Upwork. So if we talk about Upwork, this is a freelancing platform, and also this helps you to get connected to the people who are seeking for the influencer or the freelancers who are seeking for the jobs. As you see, also if you go to these platforms, that is where you can go join a client or freelancer. You can join as a freelancer or as a client. If you are a client, that means you are seeking for the jobs to be performed. If you are freelancer, which means you need also you are the one who is going to be performing those kind of jobs. So for instance, if I'm client, that means I will be also posting the jobs and also helping the people to be applying. Also, once they come to apply on the jobs, that means I'll be paying them after they complete. I'm like an employer for these jobs. So if I'm a freelancer, also that means I am like employee. I will be applying for these jobs, and once I succeeded with my application, I perform the jobs. Once completed, I get paid. I can be also getting paid on an hourly basis. I can be getting paid on a project basis. It all depends on the given project. What you need to do, you need to also to sign up on this platform. If I click here, for instance, you can. So this is a platform. As you can see, if I open it, you can see you can be finding the talents, find the work, find the talents. If you are a client, that is when you need to find a talent. You can post the jobs, you can browse and buy projects. You can see. If you are also on a freelancer, that is where you need to find the works. You find the works match your skills. You find also the tasks that you can be performing. It depends on what you are able to do. What you need to do, you need to sign up here and also be able to log in. Once you log into account, you can start also application. You can start applying for the give different jobs which are available, either social media marketing, either administrative assistant, either web development, software development. It always depends on the skills you are having, and you can be able to choose the one you want. So the next one also is called Tasklabit. Tasklabit is like also a platform which will be also helping you to meet with the taskers. Also, if you are clients or if you have different tasks you need to be performed, you can see there are different projects, so you can be also meeting with the people who want to perform those tasks. And also, as you who is seeking the project, you can be coming here as a tasker. You can join as a tasker, and also which means you'll be able to perform different tasks which are announced here, and also be able to get paid. For instance, you can see here we have this project which is 69 project starting at 69 USD mount on TV. Let's see for help. You can see the project which is starting at 69, 74, 61, 49. It all depends on the projects that you want to be also to be completing, you can join this platform and see the option or see the one you need. Book trusted help from home tasks. You can also become a tasker if you are going to become a tasker. That is what we're going to be performing different tasks here. That is the form here. Also, the example they are showing you. If this person is fixing this table or this instrument, that means is making money also as a tasker. Now you can be able to make money by joining as a tasker on this platform also and be able to make money as well. So the next platform is Amazon. Also, we also know Amazon as an e-commerce company, which is also uh, working everywhere. But also, if you want to be making money on Amazon, you can be performing different activities, including affiliate marketing. If you join Amazon affiliate, for instance, if I type Amazon affiliate, that is where you can be also participating in a different programs and also participating in, like, for instance, you can be become influencer program. You can be also become an affiliate. You can become in an affiliate program. So it all depends on what you need to be joining. For instance, if you become an influencer program, that means you have the platform, you have the audience. For instance, you may be having the YouTube account, you might be having the Instagram account with not enough audience that you will be using to promote the product, promote different product and sell them. So once they sold them, that is all going to be earning commission. If also you don't have, you are not influencer, you can be even joining the normal affiliate program, which is where you can be also getting different product and be able to promote them. Once you sell any product, that is where we're going to be earning the given amount of commission. You can be able to sell the Amazon Prime services. You can be able to sell the Amazon product which are existing there and be able to make certain of amount of money by becoming an affiliate. This is passive because you can be able to promote them everywhere, and also depends on the audience you are having. That is where we're going to be earning money as well. So the next one is the Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is the mobile application that you can use, and also this help you to earn money by completing the surveys. Also, you need to download the applications, and once you download the application on your phone, that is where you can be getting paid also by completing the rewards. As we can see, it's having the 50 million plus. You can see it is having also the 4.6 4.6 ratings from 3.56 reviews, which means also this application people are making a lot of money. This is the sample for the application that you can be seeing here. And also what you need to do is that you need to download this application over your phone and also be able to complete the surveys. Depends on also the different conditions depending on which one are available on your region and the others, and also be able to get paid on the surveys you have already filled. So the last one is also called Wealth Affiliate. Wealth Affiliate, this is another platform that can be helping you to make money. So Wealth Affiliate, this is a platform that will also help you to make money online, and also this is like affiliate marketing platform. And also, as you can see, what they tell you is that you can see here they are showing you the sample. Here they are showing you affiliate commission 320, 56. You can see affiliate commission 143. It all depends on also what they are going to show you here. What they show you, they tell you is that you discover your ideal business directions, ever dreamed of turning your passions into a profit. Affiliate, even if you are starting from scratch, one niche finder, tool you start to eliminate the perfect business. Now you launch stunning profit-ready website in a second. So here, what you need to do is that you turn the clicks into cash, almost limitless. Once you have eyes on your site, what does it mean? If you have also visits on your site, if you have people who are visiting the product you have also posted there, if you have promoted the brand, here you can see enjoy the three of promoting the top tier brands without a hassle or inventory or support with nearly 60 products to choose from. Your earning pressure is virtually limitless. Now you can be earning money as well as an affiliate here. So what you need to do, you can start for free and also become an affiliate. Once you become an affiliate, that is where you can be able to also earn money in different here, activities. Here you can see the reviews that the people are performing, and you can see reading these articles that where you can be getting help about different things. Here they are pricing, they are also success community, hosting, and others. Thank you for watching this video. Also, we shall be exploring these platforms, each and every one, and also by going into deeper by creating account for each and every platform, and you see what they are doing and how we can vision the platform start making money as well. So remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.